placement. Guys, today's session I'm going to cover few more examples in ratio and proportion. Before this video, if you guys missed yesterday's session, first watch that session because I already discussed whole concept of ratio and proportion and we solved multiple questions already in the last session. For this session, if you are good at a concept, then you can able to solve any questions in this particular exercise. If you guys are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and share this information with your friends who are preparing for different examinations. Definitely our content will help. And everyone like our video. If you like our video guys, it reaches to the maximum number of people who are preparing for those exams. So without any delay, let's start our session. Guys, try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. I will check your comments. Here the question number 1. A is to B plus C is equal to 2 is to 5. B is to A plus C is equal to 1 is to 2. Now here the question, what is the ratio of C is to A plus B? Here A divided by B plus C by 5. B divided by A plus C is 1 by 2. Now we have to identify the A, B, C value. Then you have to choose your option according to this question. C is to A plus B. Guys, if you check with the first expression, sum of A, B, C is exactly equal to 7. If you check with the second expression, sum of A, B, C is equal to 3. But if you observe both the ratios, if elements are same, some value must be same. You can able to see that both the expression gives different result. Now, how we are going to equate it? So, if you want to equate it, just multiply above expression with a 3, multiply the 7 below expression. Now, here the total number of units are 21. Then you will get the same sum. Means you have to change the ratio. Just multiply with a 3 times. Below ratio, you should multiply with the 7 times. Here, you will get the fraction of 6 by 15. You will get the fraction of 7 by 14. Now, if you get that ratio's value, A is equal to 6 units, B is equal to 7 units. Now, what about C? Now, C value is 8 units. Why? Because sum of A, B, C is equal to 21. Now, here the question. What is the ratio of C is to A plus B? Here, C is 8 units, A plus B is 13 units. Now, here the answer 8 is to 13 is the correct. Clear, guys? On to the next question. Simple question. If A by B plus C is equal to 1 is to 2, then find the ratio between A divided by A plus B plus C. Let's try to solve this question and post your answers in the comment section. Here A divided by A plus B plus C is equal to 2. Now here the question, what is the ratio of A divided by A plus B plus C? Guys, you can take the direct answer. A is 1 unit. Here B plus C is equal to, according to the question, B plus C is equal to 2 units. Now A plus B plus C is equal to 3 units. So here the answer A divided by A plus B plus C is equal to 1 by 3. Guys, this is 1 by 3. Option A is the correct answer. The 1 by 3. Next, just go through this information. Now see, if A is to B is equal to 5 is to 4. Here the data says that A is 19 more than B. Then find the value of A plus B. Just go through this question. What is the value of A plus B? Now see, sum of two values exactly equal to 9 units. 9 units means 5 plus 4. Now A is 9 units and B is 4 units. Total value is 9. A will get 5, B will get 4. In this distribution, you can understand that A is more than B by 1 unit. If A is more than B by 1 unit, that is exactly equal to 19. So this is the comparison, guys. These are the quantities. A is more than B by 1 quantity and 1 quantity is equal to 19. Now what is the sum of the value? So 9 is multiplied with the 19. So here, then the total value is 170. Very good, Nana Ramesh. It's a 171 is the correct. On to the next question. Guys, everyone like our video? Please. The ratio of three sides of triangle is 3 is to 4 is to 5. Find the difference between smallest and largest. The difference between smallest and largest triangle. Now see, here the respective ratio between A, B means three sides. Let's take ABC for your understanding. It's a 3 is to 4 is to 5. Now what is the sum of all those angles? 3 plus 4 plus 5 is exactly equal to 12 units. And you know that sum of interior angle for triangle is 180 degrees. Now here the comparison. If 12 units is equal to 180 degrees, then each unit is exactly equal to. Here the question, find the difference between smallest and largest. Now see, smallest is 3 units, largest is 5 units. Now how much of difference you can able to see? 2 units. And you know that each unit is equal to 15 degrees, then the 2 units is equal to 30 degrees is the correct. It's very good. The 30 degrees. Good. So this question. Now see, three numbers. The ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 5. Sum of the squares of those three numbers is 342. Find the sum of the three numbers. See, those three numbers are in the ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 5. Now, sum of all the numbers, if you take these are the exact numbers, sum of all the numbers is 10 units. Now here, square of 2, 4 units. Square of 3, 9 units. Square of 5, 25 units. Through that sum, then the total value is exactly equal to 38 units. 38 units is equal to 342. Then each unit is equal to. Here the question, find the sum of three numbers. Sum of three numbers is 10 units. If 10 is multiplied with a 9, then the total value is equal to. Here, sum of the three numbers is equal to 90. 90 is the correct answer. Clear? Here, the mistake, it's a 90. Sum of the three numbers is 90. On to the next one. Very good, Nanamai. 90 is the correct one. Let's see this information. The ratio of men and women in a group is 5 is to 2. If 6 men and 6 women left the group, then the ratio becomes 8 is to 3. Find the total number of people in the group. How many people are there initially? Now see the ratio of men and women in the group. Men, women in the group. Let's take total count is 5x, women is 2x. 6 men, 6 women left. See, after 6 men left, now total number of men is 5x minus 6. 6 women left, and the total number of people is 2x minus 6. After 6 people left, both men and women, then the ratio become 8 is to 3. After cancellation, you will get 8 is to 3. Now just cross multiply them. You will get 15x minus 18 is equal to 16x minus 48. Now you will get the difference of x is 30. Here the question, find the number of people in the group initially. The total number of people in the group is 7x. If 7 is multiplied with a 30 is 210. 210 is the correct answer. Ramesh, it's a 210. Just check your calculation. The total number of people is 210. See, some value is 7x. Definitely your answer is 7 multiple. 7 multiple, we have only 210. You can choose your answer. Next. Now guys, here the relation. Income minus expenditure is equal to savings. Let's go through this question. Income of A is 40% less than income of B. The expenditure of A is 40% of B's expenditure. If income of A is 70% of expenditure of B, find the ratio between savings. Now guys, here we have it two people A and B. You have to identify that what is the income, their expenditure and savings. If you go through that proper comparison, then only you can save your time. Otherwise, it takes too much of time for the general calculation. Just understand the info. Answer guys. Now see, first we have the comparison. Income of A is 70% of expenditure of B. Let us take expenditure of B is 70. So definitely income of A is 70. Now again we have a comparison. Income of A is 40% less than income of B. Again, if you go through this comparison, A is to B. B is 100. So definitely A's value is 40% less. It's a value of 60. See, after cancellation, you will get the ratio of 3 is to 4. Now see, if 3 becomes 70, if 3 becomes 70, then 5 become how much? Then you will get B's value. So here the value is cross multiply them. After cross multiplication, you will get 350 by 3. Now you will get B's value. Now see, then expenditure of A is 40% of B's expenditure. Expenditure of A is 40% of B's expenditure. What about the savings? Savings is exactly equal to income minus expenditure. Income minus expenditure means 30 units. Here 350 by 3 minus of finally see here 30 units and 350 minus 300 for your understanding. 350 minus 300 divided by 3 the value of P by. So 0 0 cancel. Finally, the respective ratio of their savings is 9 is to 5. Yeah, guys, it's a ratio of 9 is to 5. Let's go through this question. Now here the question is some amount X was divided among A, B, C, D in the ratio of 1 by 5, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by. The difference between the shares of A and C is 160. Then find the total amount of X in terms of. Let's go through this information. See, X was divided among the ratio of A, B, C, D is by 5, 1 by 2, by 3, 1 by 4. First identify that what is the least common multiple of all these numbers. 5, 2, 3, 4. Just identify the least common multiple of 5, 2, 3, 4. 60 units. 5 becomes 60, 12 units. 2 becomes 60, 30 units. 3 becomes 60, 20 units. 4 becomes 60, 15. Now that after the distribution, guys. So before distribution, then the total value is sum of all the numbers. 50, 30 plus 20 is 50. 12 plus 15 is 27. Total value is 77 units. Now here the comparison says the difference between A and C. So difference between A and C is 8 units. If 8 units is equal to 560. So exactly 70 times. Now the question here, what is the amount? So total distribution is 77 units. 7 sevens are 49. 49 plus 4 is equal to 53. Then the total amount is 5,309. Guys, here the difference between A and C is 8 units. In terms of amount is 560 rupees. Now, if 8 units is 560, then the 77 units is total number of units distributed among A, B, C, D. If you multiply 77 into 70, then it becomes 5,390 is the correct. Try this question. Now, let's see this information. The total number of 3 different colored pens in the box C is 90. The ratio between red color and green color is 5 is to 2. Ratio between red color and green color is 5 is to 2. And the number of green pens is, see, number of green pens is 33 1 by 3 percentage. Guys, 33 1 by 3 percentage is equal to one third of the value. So if green pens is compared with a blue pens, it is one third of the value. One third of the value means if blue is 3 units, green is 1 unit. Why? Because it's a one third of that value. Now see, if you observe that green is the common data. Green, red, green, blue. If green is common, you have to equate the green value. Now, if you observe that, see, here green value is 2, here green value is 1. We have to equate it means just multiply below ratio with 2. Now, after multiplication, you will get the value of 2 is to 6. Finally, here red is 5 units, green is 2 units, and the blue is 6. Now, sum of all those numbers is 13 units. If 13 units is equal to 91, then each unit is equal to 7. Here the question says that find the difference between red and green. Guys, difference between red and green is 3 units. Each unit is multiplied by 7, then the total number of pens are 21. So Ramesh, it's a difference is 7 units. Yeah, each unit is multiplied with the 7, but difference is exactly 3 units. 3 is multiplied with the 7, then it becomes. Try this one. Now see this information. The ratio of marks obtained by duration of yearly examination to the annual examination. Of yearly examination to the annual examination is 9 is to 10. Let's take this is 9x and this is 10x. If you got 50 marks more in of yearly examination, then the ratio would be becomes 1 is to 1. Guys, initially ratio between off yearly and annual score is 9 is to 10. If you got 50 more marks, then the ratio become 1 is to 1. Before 50 marks, it is a ratio of 9 is to 10. If you get 50 marks, it is a ratio of 1 is to 1. Just cross multiply it. 9x plus 50 is equal to 10x. If it is a 1 is to 1, you can directly take that value, guys. Because of addition of those 50 marks, then the ratio become 1 is to 1. That's why you can directly pick the x value is 50. Now, yearly off yearly score is exactly equal to 450 and the annual examination is exactly equal to 500. So the next information. Find the total marks of which he wrote the off yearly examination. We have to identify the total marks. But he obtained in the same examination 45% of total marks. Guys, he got only 45%. He got only 45%. And 45% is equal to 450. Then the total value is exactly equal to 100%. Now each percentage value in the above calculation is 10, then the 100% is equal to 1000. Yes, they clearly mentioned that he got 9x marks, x value is 50. Then he got only 450 out of total mark. In terms of percentage, he got only 45%. You can go through the comparison. 45% is equal to 450, then 100% is equal to. You just compare those two values, we get the answer. On to the next question. Let's check with this question. The ratio of number of boys in the girls in the school is 2 is to 3. 30% of girls is 6 more than the 30% of boys. Find the total number of students. Now see, this is 2x and this is 3x. But my suggestion, if you are dealing with the percentage concept, instead of 2x and 3x, Let's take the value 20x and 30x. Guys, you can assume any value. You can take 2 is 2, 3 means 2, 3. You can take 4, 6. You can take 20, 30. You can take 20, 200 and 300 also. See, whatever that, you have to reduce your calculation. So instead of 2x and 3x, 20x and 30x is the better calculation. Now we have to pick 30% of girls. Now see, this is boys information. This is girls information. Now you have to pick 30%. 30% of 30x is 9x. And 30% of girl is 6 more than the 30% of boys. 30% of 20x is 6x. And 9x is more than 6x is equal to 3x. If 3x is equal to 6, then you will get x is equal. Here the question. Find the number of total students. Then the total number of students exactly equal to. So we are taking those values 20x and 30x. Don't replace into the 2x and 3x. We are changing the values, right? So according to that, then the total value is 50x, x value is 2, then the total value is. Guys, if you want PDF, you can follow us in the Telegram channel. Search V2VBK, you can get my channel, guys. Into Victory. This is my official educational channel, and you can follow me in the Instagram also. Search Into Victory, you can get my channel. Follow, share this informative with your friends. If you guys are new to our channel, just subscribe our channel. Now guys, here the information is that a bag contains 25 paisa coins and 50 paisa coins and 1 rupee coins are in the ratio of 10 is to 5 is to. Amounting is 102. Sorry. Find the number of coins in the bag. Now see, here value of each coin, 1/4 of it. Guys, you have to convert either data in terms of rupee or paisa. Now you already know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Now 25 paisa, if you convert it into rupee, is 1/4. 50 paisa converted into rupee is 1. Now see, we have 1/4 rupee and a half rupee, 1 rupee are in the ratio of 10 is to 5 is to 2. So the number of 25 paisa coins are 10x, number of 50 paisa coins are 5x, and number of 1 rupee coins are 2x. Let's take into the number. Now see, here the total value of 25 paisa in the bag is 10x is multiplied with 1 by 4. So it's a 10x by 4. Value of 50 paisa means 5x by 2. Value of 1 rupee is 2x. See, value is always multiplied with the number of coins is multiplied with the denomination. Total value is based on number of coins is multiplied with the denomination. Now here sum of all these values. 10x by 4 is equal to 5x by 2, 5x by 2 plus 2x, and the total value is 112. Now, after adding, you will get 5x plus 2x is equal to 112. See, 5x plus 5x is 10x. Again, 10x by 2 is equal to 5x. If 7x is equal to 112, then x is equal to 112 by 7. Now, guys, here x value is 16. Now, the question, find the total number of coins in the bank. Here, the total number of coins in the bank is exactly equal to 17x. 17 is multiplied with the 16, that's your. You already know that two-digit multiplication, be faster in that calculation. So 1 1 1, cross multiply them. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 1 carry over. 7 6 are 42. 4 is carried over. See here, answer is 270. Total number of points are 2. Guys, hope you understand this question. Just try this question and post your answer in the comment section, guys. I'm just leaving this question for you. If you guys have missed yesterday's session, first watch that video, then you can able to understand the whole concept of ratio and proportion. Then we already discussed couple of different models in this video. Go watch it, then you can able to solve any questions in ratio proportion. For the next session also, I will come up with a new content for the ratio proportion. We'll solve few more examples. See, until the next session, have a nice day. Good night, guys. And don't forget to subscribe.